Hey there, Sparkling One. Welcome to this SparkleCast episode of the Sparkling Life Coach Podcast. I have some amazing news that's going to help you make the most of your wellness budget. If your insurance provides you with a health savings account, HSA, or a flexible spending account, FSA, you can now use those funds to purchase about 100 holistic wellness products from doTERRA. What does this mean for you? It means you can now buy eligible essential oil supplements and personal care items using your FSA or HSA card, just like you would for other healthcare expenses. That means your pre-tax dollars can now cover some of your favorite self-care products, making wellness more affordable. And there's no complicated reimbursement process. Just use your card at checkout. However, when using your FSA or HSA card, you'll want to make sure that all the items in the cart are FSA, HSA eligible. So what's covered? The approved product list includes items that support your immune health, digestion, stress relief, sleep, and overall wellness. How does this save you money? As I mentioned, your FSA, HSA funds are pre-tax dollars, meaning you're getting more value for your money. Instead of paying taxes first and then buying wellness products, you can invest in your health while lowering your taxable income. And depending on your tax rate, this could save you thousands of dollars per year. Of course, I'm not a tax specialist, so please be sure to check with your specialist or accountant to see how this applies in your case. Some important things to note. First of all, depending on your insurance, some products, like supplements, may require a letter of medical necessity. This is a letter from your healthcare provider confirming that a product is necessary for treating a condition. Secondly, if your FSA or HSA card doesn't work online, contact your card issuer because some plans require it to be registered as a credit card first. And the third important thing to remember is that flexible spending account funds expire at the end of the year. Unlike funds in the health savings account, which roll over, FSA money is use it or lose it. So don't miss out. Use it on your favorite holistic wellness products. This matters because it makes holistic health more accessible and affordable. This is a great opportunity to build your natural wellness toolkit for yourself and your family. Instead of letting FSA funds expire, you can invest in your long-term well-being. So, how do you use your FSA-HSA benefits? It's easy peasy. As I mentioned, there's no complicated reimbursement process. However, you'll want to make sure before processing that all the items in the cart are eligible. First, shop for the eligible products. Secondly, add your favorites to your cart. And third, at checkout, simply pay with your FSA or HSA card. It's really that easy. So check out the link in the show notes to see all the eligible products available. For those of you listening who'd like to see where to go, join me on my Sparkling Life Coach Podcast YouTube channel, and I'll show you really quickly what you'll see when you get to the website. So if you go directly to doTERRA.com, you'll want to click at the top left on the Shop tab. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says FSA, HSA eligible products. And you'll see once you click on that, all of the products available to choose from, including supplements and essential oils. The deep blue stick is in there. I know that's a favorite to support muscular discomfort. Some of the items in the nutrition line are in there, and even their sun care line. So you have so much to choose from. If this information was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could benefit. And don't forget, if you already have a doTERRA wholesale account, you automatically have access to the Refer a Friend program. So make sure to share this benefit with your family and friends. You already share your favorite products with them, right? Well, now you can be rewarded for it. It's definitely a win-win. If you don't already have a wholesale account, please reach out to your wellness advocate. Or if you don't already have one, I'd be happy to help you get started. Also, if your place of employment offers this as a benefit, we would love to set up wellness workshops to help the employees take advantage of this benefit too. Just contact me at support@sparklinglifecoach.com. This is an amazing opportunity to invest in your health while making the most of your healthcare dollars. Here's to making our health sparkle with savings. So sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Are you tired of trying to make healthy changes only to end up back where you started? It's frustrating, isn't it? Here's the truth. You're not the problem. You just haven't had the right system. Introducing the 4-Week Win Program, your step-by-step plan to build lasting habits and take control of your health. Start each day with our 2-Minute Health Boost, a powerful combination of supplements and routines that fuel your body and mind. By the end of 4 weeks, you'll feel more energized, focused, and in control. Are you ready to win the morning, win the day, win your life? Visit the link in the show notes to get started on the 4-Week Win Program today.